Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope all are you doing well. So today we are going to discuss one of the most important JavaScript interview question in which 90% developer fails to solve that because interview wants to watch our logic and 90% developer fails to apply that logic. So let's check the question. The question is interview give us two numbers, like we have a number 1 to 1 and second number is 1 2 3 1. So interview asks to check that numbers are palindrome numbers or not, but without using the string. We don't need to convert this number into the string. Okay, so the beginner who don't know about the palindrome numbers, what is palindrome number? Palindrome number are those number, like we have a number 1 to 1. When we start reading this number from the forward, and when we start this number from the backward, the number becomes the same. Like when we started it from the forward 1 2 1 and we start reading it from the backward, number becomes 1 2 1. The number is same, the output is same. Okay, these number are the palindromes number. Let's take another example, like we have a bird madam. When we start this number from the back, M A D A M, the number becomes madam. So this number is also a palindrome number because when we reverse this number, the output would be same. Okay, mostly developers or a newcomer and the student who don't know about the mathematics logic, they just do to convert this number into string by using the dot string method, and they reverse this number, and after that they check our reverse would be equal to our num, then this number is a palindrome, otherwise it is not. Okay, most of the developer apply this, but this is the wrong approach. This is not our logic, this is not our mathematics logic the interview wants, because interview asks us in the starting without using the string, so that's why we don't need to convert this number into a string. Okay, so let's apply our math logic without converting this problem into string. So let's first erase all this. To solve this question, what would be our approach? Like our num is equal to 1 to 1, and we have to remove our last digit. So we have a digit variable here. When we remove our last digit from here, and next one is our reverse, and we add this last digit into our reverse, and our updated num would be, now when we remove this one from here, our updated num becomes 12, then it 12 our new number. Okay, after that we will remove 2, then our new digit becomes 2. After that this 2 would be added to our reverse, our new reverse become 12. After that our new num becomes, because our 2 is removed from the here, and our new num becomes 1. Okay, now our new num is 1. So when we remove this num, so our new digit becomes 1 because our last digit removed, so new num becomes 1, and our new reverse now becomes 1 2 1, and our updated num, there is a no value, it's become 0. Okay, so this approach we are going to use. So how we can remove the last digit from the number? So we are using, to remove the last digit from the number, we are using the modulus, and to update our number we are using the division. Okay, we are using these two terms plus while loop. Got it? So let's start solving this question. So first we are taking a function, like you are taking a function in which we are going to pass our number, and we have a let our original number would be equal to our num, and we are taking another variable that is reverse, that we will initialize with 0. Okay, after that we will apply our while loop run until our num is greater than 0. Okay, after that we are going to apply here our math logic. Here first we have to remove our last digit. For that we are taking a new variable. You can, its name is digit or last digit, is equal to, we are getting here our modulus like this. After that we update our reverse value. Reverse we would be multiply with 10 and plus we are going to add our digit here. After then we will update our value of num. So we are using here math.floor method to get the approximate value, a round of value. Sorry, to get the round of value we are using a math.floor method of JavaScript. So we are going to divide our num here to get the new value. Okay, so our while loop will continue until our this condition would not be false. Okay, so here is a how we get the modulus. This is our modulus. Don't confuse between the percentage and modulus. Percentage and modulus have the same sign but they have a different purpose. Okay, so to get the modulus we have to divide our num with, our num is 1 to 1. We are going to divide it with 10. For the beginner who don't know about what is modulus, what is division, for that we are doing a division here. Okay, to get the modulus. So when we divide it, 10 ones are 10. So now there is 21. 10s to the 20. There is 1. This is our remainder. This is our remainder. This remainder is our modulus. This remainder is our modulus. You have to remember this is our modulus. Okay, so here we can write digit is equal to 1 because we get a modulus here. The remainder is our modulus. Okay, after that what is your remainder? After that what is your reverse? We are initialize reverse with 0. We are going to multiply it with 10. After that we will add our digit here. What is our digits value is 1. So 10 multiply with 0 is equal to 10 plus 1. So here is 1. Our reverse is equal to 1. Okay, so now what is our new num? So we are going to divide num with 10. So here we are divide our num is equal to 121 divided with 10. So this is our modulus but this is our new num. Okay, this will be our new num. Okay, because here we are removing our last number, last digit. So our new num is equal to 12. Okay, I hope you got this point, how we can get the modulus and how we get the new num. After that our while loop will continue because our new num is equal to 12. 12 would be greater than 0. So here it will check our logic here. Let digit is equal to num. Now we are going to again get the modulus. So here I am going to erase all this. Now we have a new num. Is equal to 12. We are going to again divide it with 10 to get the modulus. 10 ones are 10. So here 2 becomes our new modulus and we're going to erase. New modulus is 2. And now what is our reverse? Reverse is we update the reverse value with 1. So 1 multiply with 10 plus what is our digit? New digit is 2. So 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. Our new reverse would be 12. Okay, so what will be our new num? So our new num would be 1 now. Okay, so now our new num is equal to 1. So here again while loop, here our 1 is our new num, is would be greater than 0. After then again these conditions are going to continue. So for that we are going to erase all this. Now our new num is equal to 1. So again we have to find the modulus. In modulus we don't completely divide it. Okay, we don't completely, 10 did not completely divide 1. So that's why our new digit is equal to 1, or our reverse is equal to reverse. Our updated value is reverse 12 multiply with 10 plus our digit is equal to 1. So 120 plus 1 is equal to 120. Our new reverse would be 121. Okay, after that we have to divide it with completely. So in division we have to divide this one completely with 10. We have to use a decimal. Okay, first we are using the apply 0 point, so we are adding a 10 here. After that it is completely divisible like this. You have seen there is a no modulus here. Okay, so what your new num would be 0 0.1, but we are using the method floor method to get the round of value. So 0 0.1's round of value would be equal to 0. So again we are going to check our condition. 0 greater than 0, it does not satisfy the condition, and it's our condition would be false here. And after that it is directly does not check our logic, it directly returns value like our original value would be equal to our reverse value. Our original value is 121 because here we assign our num into the original number. It would be equal to our 121. Our reverse value is 121, so it will returns us a true. Okay, I hope you get the logic. Logic is this. Okay, so let's do it practical. For that we are going to open our VS Code. Here we are using a function. The name of the function would be valid function is palindrome, like this. Okay, after that you have to call this function console.log is palindrome. We are passing our num here and we have to pass our num here. Okay, so we have to check is for 2 to 3 word, 2 to 3 let num. Now we have to take a two variable let original. We are passing our num to original. After that we have to take a new variable reverse. We will initialize it with 0 because we are going to store our reverse value in this rev. Okay, in this variable rev variable. Now we are going to add our while loop here, and we have to add the condition here while num would be greater than 0. Okay, until this condition is true, our loop will continue. Here we are using our math logic let to remove the last digit. We are using a variable last digit is equal to, we have to find the modulus to remove the last digit like this. And here we will update our reverse value. To get our reverse, we will multiply it with 10 plus we are going to add our last digit like this. After that we will update our num value. That would be equal to, num would be equal to math.floor method of javascript to get the round of value of our num. Okay, like this. When this while loop condition would be false, then it returns our original number would be equal to our reverse. Okay, so let's check our this logic is true or false. So for first, our logic would be true because when we reverse this number 1 to 1, it becomes 1 to 1. And second one is false because when we reverse this number it becomes 1 3 2 1. That would not equal to 1 2 3 1. Okay, so let's check. Not, we will check. You can see the output true and false. Our first number is a palindrome number and our second number is not a palindrome number. That's why it returns us a false. I hope you get the idea what is palindrome number, how we get how we can check the number is palindrome or not without converting that number into a string. I hope you get the mathematics logic that's help to check the number is palindrome or not. And so thank you for watching. I hope you all enjoy the video, and if you have any suggestion please drop it into the comment section. So thank you for watching. If you find any help in this video, so please do like, share and subscribe my channel So thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.